Hi everyone. Do you all know the reason for this? If not, watch this video. Let's take the simple circuit where a load resistance RL is connected to a battery. Again, there is an ammeter which is connected in series. Again, there is a question. Why the ammeter is always connected in series? Why not in parallel? Hope you know what is an ammeter. An ammeter is a device used to measure the flow of current through the circuit and is always connected in series to find out the current flowing through the circuit. The reason is, let me take the same circuit to explain. As we all know, the purpose of this ammeter is to measure the current flowing through the circuit. If it is connected in parallel like this, then all the current won't flow through it. Some of the current will flow through this resistance and some may pass through this, depending upon the resistance value. So the total current through the circuit won't flow through this ammeter. So the reading may not be correct. We cannot read the exact current through this circuit, right? So it is always connected in series. You understand? If it is connected in parallel, what happens as there is a parallel circuit, if depending on the internal resistance of this ammeter, some current will flow through this branch and some current will flow through this branch. Our aim is to measure the value of the current flowing through the circuit. So will it read this value of current? No. So this is wrong. So the ammeter is always connected in series. For the same circuit, if we want to measure the voltage across the load resistance, we need to connect a voltmeter in parallel with the load resistance. Again, do you know the reason why the voltmeter is connected in parallel? The reason here is we know what voltmeter is. Voltmeter is used to measure the voltage across a load or a source. I said to measure voltage. So what is voltage? It is the potential difference between 2 points. One point is at 0 volts and another point is at 1 volts. The difference in potential between these 2 points, that is 1 volt, that is called voltage. Again, take the same circuit. If we want to measure the voltage across this load resistance RL, we need to connect a voltmeter across this, right? What if we connect a voltmeter across this, that is in series? So will it measure the voltage source voltage or will it measure the load voltage? No. What it will measure the voltage across these 2 points, that is this voltage plus the drop in voltage. So we cannot measure the source voltage or the load voltage. So in order to measure the source voltage, again we need to connect a voltmeter here, right? This is the reason why the voltmeter should be always connected in parallel and not in series. Coming to our topic, internal resistance of voltmeter and ammeter. So voltmeter is always connected in parallel and ammeter is always connected in series, that you know, right? What about the internal resistance? In the same circuit, voltage source connected to a load resistance, voltmeter is connected in parallel. Now consider a internal resistance R internal. If R internal is equal to 0, in other words, if internal resistance is not high, it will draw some current and the resistors connected in parallel, that is the load resistance, will not get the enough current through them. As the internal resistance is high, it will draw large amount of current. It will decrease the current going to the circuit nearly to 0. This is not advisable. Now assume if the internal resistance of your voltmeter is very high, your voltmeter takes a negligible current from the circuit and through the circuit remains same. To avoid the change of current through the circuit, we must have high internal resistance for voltmeter. This is the reason why your voltmeter has high internal resistance. For this reason, the voltmeter has high internal resistance. Coming to a ammeter. Again, take the same circuit, voltage source, ammeter is connected in series, load resistance. The function of this ammeter is to measure the current through the circuit IL, to measure IL. If the internal resistance is equal to 0 or low resistance, full circuit current flows through the ammeter, so we can easily measure the current, circuit current. If the internal resistance is high, that is R internal is high, means a high resistance is connected in series with your load resistance, increases your equivalent resistance. Because of this, the amount of current flowing through the circuit decreases. To avoid the change of current flow in a circuit, resistance of ammeter should be as small as possible. Hope we got an answer for a topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.